RSI 14 is 63, and the stock is currently not being overbought or oversold. Volatile ride for Jaguar Animal Health stock price on Thursday moving between 65 cents and 85 cents, updated on December 24, 2020, buyer hold candidate since 2020 12 to 16 gain 70.04%. The Jaguar Animal Health stock price fell by -33.18% on the last day, Thursday, 24 December 2020, from $1.07 to 72 cents. During the day the stock fluctuated 30.68% from a day low at 65 cents to a day high of 85 cents. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 112.92% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -539 million shares and in total, 93 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $66.26 million.